Hey guys, quick update. Friend at work gave me an idea on how to fix the tail housing or the tail shaft output wobble delta that this thing has got going on to get rid of the drive shaft vibrations. And looking at some drawings and such, we were able to come up with the idea that if you pull the yoke off the back, you can throw a steel shim in there and pull that rear output shaft tighter against its bearings, which reduces the wobble delta on the output. So banged on that last night. I can show you on my spare transmission what that looks like.
Hey guys, so to show you real quick what we figured out, how to tighten up the output shaft on the 6R80. So the way this works, the seal's supposed to be here, but on the inside of the seal is this disc that sets up against this trunnion bearing. So I assume these are certain thicknesses as they assemble the transmissions. So a buddy at work said, hey, why don't you throw a shim between one of these spacers here to help get a little bit of slack, so when you tighten this down, because there's a bearing on the inside up against the case from this planetary set. So what we're going to do is we added an extra shim there, slide that back on, put the flange back on, run the nut down, and when I did this, I tested this out yesterday, and when you snug all this up with that extra spacer in there, you get rid of all the slack, all the wobble delta that we were seeing in the drive shaft. So I did that on the car. I just need to put a new seal on it so I can drive around and see what it's going to do. So that's how you tighten up the wobble delta on these output shafts. Thanks.
Seems to be working a lot better. Got some of the clutch engagements between gears kind of sorted out. So 1 to 2 is still pretty harsh. 2 to 3 is pretty good. 3 to 4, I need to work on it a little bit. Really, it's just solenoid D. Just need to play with like the initial duty cycle and then the ramp on rate to kind of smoothen that out. 4 to 5 is real nice. 5 to 6 is pretty good. Torque converter lockup right now, I just have it set for 4, 5, and 6. When doing it in third gear, it was kind of rough. I don't know, it was just too many steps between gear changes as we were speeding up. But so got the transmission output sorted out. Got that snugged up a little bit better, so now I don't have any of this drive shaft wobble crap that was going on before. We were just doing like 55 right now. Coming up to a red light. Bangs down in a second.